Splitting videos doesn't have to be difficult, and you don't need expensive software or much experience for this. If you're looking for an easy guide on how to split videos, you came to the right place. In this tutorial, we'll show you an easy way to split video with Icecream Video Editor. You'll also learn to cut out unneeded parts of your video and to add filters to specific parts of your video's split feature. Let's get started. You can download Icecream Video Editor by going to icecreamapps.com. Complete the setup process and open the program. Now, let's add a video to the timeline. First, add a file to the media library by dragging and dropping it or clicking the yellow Add Files button. Then drag the video to the timeline. This part is pretty straightforward. You'll notice a small circle at the top left of the timeline. Move the marker to the location where you want to split the video. Then click the Split button right above the timeline. Now a video will be divided into two, and a second scene will appear on the timeline. Here's a tip for those who want to somehow highlight a specific part of a video. Apply the second split to the scene to separate another part of it. Now you can apply one of the available filters to the selected scene. Click the relevant button above the timeline for that. Let's pick the black and white one for now. Looks cool! Don't forget to apply transition effects between the scenes on the timeline to make your final video smoother. Here's how to delete a scene from the timeline. Hover over a scene that you want to remove and click the X icon to delete it. You can fine-tune what needs to be removed by doing additional splits to pick out video parts and removing any unwanted sections. Repeat the process as many times as you like. Here's a pro tip for Icecream Video Editor. Use the trim feature and adjust the length of sections in smaller increments without making a new division. Click the video you want to trim on the timeline, select the trim tool from the options bar, and adjust the yellow handles to cut the video to the perfect size. It's flawless! Okay, Scorsese, your masterpiece is perfected. Now, export the video using the Export Video button. You can rename your file and choose its destination, resolution, quality, duration, and format. That's a wrap on this tutorial. If you want more videos like this, feel free to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.